Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change address on Revolut. Now first I need you to launch Revolut, okay? And what you need to do here is come at the top left. You'll see your profile icon, okay? Your initials basically. Go ahead and click on this, and from here you get a bunch of different options. What I need you to do is come here and click on account. Okay, go ahead and click on account. So this is our profile. Click on account and you'll see a bunch more options. From here, what I need you to do is at the very top, you're going to see personal details. And once you click on personal details, you'll see your residential address. And once you go ahead and click on your residential address, you can change it to something else and then save it. And you'll have basically changed your address. And that's how, guys, you can change your address on Revolut. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gamer. And I'll see you in the next one.